So, here's a mind-boggling revelation about your iPhone that might just save you some precious storage space. Did you know that a simple setting in the Voice Memos app could be silently devouring your storage? It's a sneaky little detail that most casual users would never even think to check. You see, Apple, in its infinite wisdom, has decided that all iPhones should record voice memos in lossless audio format by default. Now, this might be great if you're a Grammy-winning artist like Charlie Puth, capturing every nuance of your next hit song. But for the average Joe, it's a bit of an overkill. Lossless audio preserves every tiny detail of sound, which is fantastic for professional recordings, but on your everyday iPhone microphone, the difference between lossless and compressed audio is virtually unnoticeable. Yet, the file size difference is massive. I did a quick experiment, and here's the kicker: a 1-minute voice memo in lossless format takes up about 3.5 times more space than the compressed version. That's 1.7 megabytes versus just 500 kilobytes. Imagine the storage wastage when you multiply this by the hundreds or even thousands of voice memos you've recorded over the years. It's like shooting TikTok videos in 8K RAW when you just need a quick clip for a funny dance trend. What's even more frustrating is that if you've been recording in lossless format all this time, there's no easy way to reclaim that storage. You can't just hit a compress all button and shrink those files down. The only option is to manually export each memo, compress them on a computer, and then delete the originals. It's a tedious process, and you can't even put them back into your Voice Memos app afterward. Android users, on the other hand, have a much more flexible file system for managing such scenarios. Now, it's impressive that Apple offers the lossless option, but it's baffling why it's the default. Most users don't even know about this setting, let alone change it. And Apple knows that many people won't bother to dig into the app settings. So, quietly, your storage space gets gobbled up, and you might end up buying a pricier iPhone with more storage, thinking that's the only solution. I mean, I upgraded from 128 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes when I could have just switched to compressed audio. The takeaway here is simple: if you're an avid Voice Memos user, go into your app settings right now and switch to compressed audio. It's a one-click fix that could save you gigabytes of storage. You're welcome! And if you're an Android user, well, you can sit back and enjoy the flexibility of your file system.